Alright, it is time. Time for disassembly. Alright, so that was legit 22 minutes of teardown. Not bad. So the car is officially on the jacks in the front. For the most part, we got all the wiring on top done. It's already disconnected. Now we gotta do is we gotta drain the oil, the coolant. There you have it. And honestly, guys, what's today? Tuesday. By Thursday, Friday, I should be able to have this thing back out. I should. I don't see why not. So this is why I want to swap this motor. Well, not because of that, because it actually blew. But this is the reason I've been wanting to refresh this motor and do that or swap it out. So I honestly, for the longest time, I didn't care if it blew because this car was leaking oil no matter what. I couldn't figure out the issue. It's leaking somewhere from the rear timing cover. I don't know where. Try to seal it 3 times. And if you know, you know. It takes a lot of work to try to reseal it. It didn't work. So I gave up on it. I let it bleed for the longest. I pushed the car and it finally gave out. So that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna call it a night. It's midnight now and I have to wake up first thing in the morning and get some work done.